Hi, I'm Hayden Soloway and I work at McIntyre Elder Law for Greg McIntyre. We have a guest today, Samantha Yelton, and she's going to talk to us a little bit about her experience here at McIntyre Elder Law, a little bit about herself, and hope that you'll learn something and enjoy meeting Samantha. Samantha, hello.
Hello.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Very much. We met you at the World Series, and tell me how you're not a veteran, and so you were looking at the booths. We had one set up there.
I had previously thought about contacting an attorney to help me with some things for my mother, protecting her assets, and I just happened to see the booth, and of course elder law caught my attention, and so I went over, and Greg was actually there, and I spoke with him, and he introduced himself and told me what he was able to do, and I gave him my phone number, and it just went from there.
Well, tell me a little bit about your mom.
Well, of course, she's elderly. She's in her late 70s, and my father passed away about 2 years ago, and so she's by herself, and I was just trying to prepare for the future, for her future.
So let's talk a little bit about you. Tell us a little bit about Samantha.
Well, I'm a mother. I have one son, and I'm also a home care nurse for Hospice Cleveland County, and I really enjoy my job, and that's something that I'm very passionate about, is helping others. Since
you needed information about your mother, what did Greg suggest that you do for her? What kind of work did she need done to prepare?
Well, I actually came to him to get more information about the Lady Bird deed, which is something that I had heard about in the community, and of course working for hospice. I'd heard that term thrown around a couple of times, so I wanted to get some more information about that and see if that was something that we could do to help protect her property, just in case she ever had to go into a nursing home. And also, she had a health care power of attorney and durable power of attorney, but I felt like those needed to be updated since my father's death.
So tell me your experience with working with Greg and getting the document done. I mean, you came to our office.
I came here, and I told him what I wanted, and he was able to provide information and tell me step by step what I needed to do. There were some things I needed to take care of on my end, as far as getting titles transferred into my mother's name. And so once all that was completed, then Greg and his team took care of it, and very knowledgeable, very professional.
Thank you.
Good experience.
We've got a good crew here, very knowledgeable, and we do a lot of things in the community. We go to homes if we need to.
And you did.
Meet in various places, yes. Well, I am so glad that you came and talked to us today.
Thank you, my pleasure.
I hope you enjoyed listening to Samantha's story. Everyone has a story. If you can't visit us, if for some reason you're homebound for some reason, or it's a long drive and you don't like to drive that far, we'll be glad to come see you. Thank you.